In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this ACT math question using a TH4 plus scientific calculator. Alright, the question says, what is the minimum value of 9 cos x? Guys, this question is very simple. Basically, all you have to do will be to substitute the value of x with every number or value we have in the options to get the one that will give you an output that is the minimum or the least. Alright, so let's begin to experiment. Let's start with option A. So it's going to be, again guys, for this calculator and for this question, it involves trig identity. Alright, so you have to ensure that the calculator is in radian to get the correct response. Alright, so by default this calculator used to be in radian. If yours happen to be in degree, all you have to do to put it in radian is to press this mode button. Alright, so once you press the mode button, you just come down to this place. We have radian and degree beside it. So if yours happen to be in degree, like here is now indicating degree, just switch it to radian and press enter. Alright, so it will go to radian. So let me just show you. If I this is degree, and if I press enter, it will change to degree. Alright, it's now in degree. If I go back to radian and press enter, it will change to radian. So that's it. Very important, guys. So having known that, let's proceed. So option A will be 9 cos x is now 9. Okay, close the bracket. What will be the output? Press enter. Minus 8.2. Alright, so let's take option B. Option B will now be 9 cos x is now 0. What's the output? Press enter. Output is 9. Alright, 9 is higher than minus 8.2. Alright, so let's check option C. Option C will now be 9 cos, we have minus 90. Make use of this negative sign, guys, very important. Okay, minus 90. Close the bracket. What will the output? Minus 4.0. So minus 4.0 is higher than minus 8.2. Okay, so let's take option D. Option D will be 9 cos our x will now be negative 2. Okay, close the bracket. Minus 3.7. So minus 3.7 is higher than minus 8.2, which is the first option. Alright, so for now, the least value we have gotten is minus 8.2, which is option A. Well, lastly, let's check option E and see if it's going to give us something different. Okay, so it's now 9 cos our x is now negative 9. Close the brackets. Press enter. We are still having minus 8.2. So option A and option E are giving us the same output, meaning that this question has two correct options. Alright, but I think that is a mistake from the people that said the question. So, but as it stands now, whichever option you choose or go for, either option A or option E should be ticked correct for you. Alright, so this is how you can basically solve this kind of problem using the TH4 plus scientific calculator. How you can simplify them and get the minimum value from this string identity. Let's cut the video, guys. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. If you are new to my channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of my videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Now click on the end screen above and I will see you in my next video. You can use the calculator. Once you're done, press second plus button